Some of the best water back in the day, bro. I don't know what the fuck happened to the water system, boy. I know back in the day, boy, nigga come hit this bitch. Boy, that shit be so motherfucking good, boy. Nigga did not buy water bottle back in the day, bro. Niggas didn't buy water bottle back in the day, bro. You already know, bro. You done been and drunk all the milk. Get what you finna do with that jug. Rinse that bitch out, put some faucet water in that bitch, put it in the refrigerator. That motherfucker get cold, bro. That be the best water in the world, bro. Niggas ain't buy no motherfucking water bottle, bro. Man, what the water bottle, nigga? What the fuck? Man, nigga, you go to any basketball game back in the day, nigga, you finna see all kind of random ass jugs out there. Nigga got a milk jug full of water. Nigga got a goddamn Gatorade bottle full of faucet water. Nigga got a Coca-Cola bottle, some faucet water in that bitch. Bro, what the fuck, boy? Water was fire back in the day, bro. I don't know what the hell happened. This shit take like rusty metal now, boy. You been and died drinking some faucet water these days.